My vision is distorted by my sleazy mind. Too picturesque an image to control this time. My intimate discriminating fears you test. My ignorance that truly feels it knows me best. You have the power, but you keep it all to yourself. Your lust is decomposing us. This intricate sincerity is choking me. It's scrambling and crawling all around my feet. It was a jump from line to line, they cover me. My credible intelligence evading me. You have the power, but you keep it all to yourself. Your lust is decomposing us. So now you're telling me it's so damn easy. Try to see yourself as calm and queasy. 'Cause money making is